Fill in the blanks. F blank. W blank. R. F. Blank underscore. W. Blank. R. The answer is L. O. E. The answer is L. O. E. Which animal say meow? Which animal say meow? The answer is cat. The answer is cat. The sunshine. Day. The sunshine. Day. The answer is the sunshine every day. The answer is the sunshine every day. The sky is. The sky is. The answer is the sky is blue. The answer is the sky is blue. What is the opposite of summer? What is the opposite of summer? The answer is winter. The answer is winter. What is the opposite of hard? What is the opposite of hard? The answer is soft. The answer is soft. What is the plural form of fish? What is the plural form of fish? The answer is fishes. The answer is fishes. Choose the single form of the word students. Choose the single form of the word students. The answer is student. The answer is student. Which letter comes between M and O? Which letter comes between M and O? The answer is N. The answer is N. What letter comes after G? What letter comes after G? The answer is H. The answer is H. How many p comes in the word puppy? How many p comes in the word puppy? The answer is 3. The answer is 3. Which English word is start with Z and ends with P? Which English word is start with Z and ends with P? The answer is zip. The answer is zip. What are the 3 words that start with P and end with A? What are the 3 words that start with P and end with A? The answer is panda, pizza, papaya. The answer is panda, pizza, papaya. What is the opposite of the word empty? What is the opposite of the word empty? The answer is full. The answer is full. What is a similar word to fast? What is a similar word to fast? The answer is quick. The answer is quick. Which word rhymes with dog? Which word rhymes with dog? The answer is fog. The answer is fog. Which word rhymes with cool? Which word rhymes with cool? The answer is pool. The answer is pool. What is the past form of the verb come? What is the past form of the verb come? The answer is came. The answer is came. What is the past form of the verb climb? What is the past form of the verb climb? The answer is climbed. The answer is climbed. Which is the correct spelled word? Which is the correct spelled word? The answer is address. The answer is address. Which is the 6th letter in the English alphabet? Which is the 6th letter in the English alphabet? The answer is F. The answer is F. How many seasons are these in a year? How many seasons are these in a year? The answer is 4. The answer is 4. Which word means the same as happy? Which word means the same as happy? The answer is joyful. The answer is joyful. I saw 3. In the zoo? I saw 3. In the zoo? The answer is tigers. The answer is tigers. Fill in the blank's eye. Hungry. Fill in the blank's eye. Hungry. The answer is am. The answer is am. What is bigger? What is bigger? The answer is elephant. The answer is elephant. Which animal can fly? Which animal can fly? The answer is bird. The answer is bird. Which is the Vega table? Which is the Vega table? The answer is potato. The answer is potato. What do you use to write? What do you use to write? The answer is pencil. The answer is pencil. Which animal barks? Which animal barks? The answer is dog. The answer is dog. Which use light? Which use light? The answer is lamp. The answer is lamp. Which is faster? Which is faster? The answer is car. The answer is car.